Absolute Barbecues has gained popularity in the category of buffet restaurants in Mumbai lately. They are popularly known for serving live barbecues on the table. This restaurant is located in Powai, Mumbai. It is popular all over India and has number of chain restaurants in different cities of India. The restaurant offers live barbecue. They have live counters for chaat, pizza, stir-fried noodles, a lot of variety in the main course. They also have number of options in desserts. They also serve Indian sweets like gulab jamun and jalebi. They also have a variety of ice creams. This restaurant surely has a huge variety in their buffet to offer. Absolute Barbecues has a chain restaurant in Mumbai which is located in Powai. Well, you need to make reservations before visiting the restaurant. They have different time slots. You need to select the time slots for the day you want to visit the restaurant. The restaurant has a good ambiance and is also very spacious. So, this is the table mat with some phrases written on it. Once we were seated, they placed a live barbecue grill on the table. I will be showing only the vegetarian options offered by the restaurant. So, this is the paneer tikka grill and the pineapple grill, the most famous Cajun spiced potato, crispy corn, and paneer patty. For the appetizers, different types of chutneys on the table. So, this was the buffet area. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon for more such interesting updates. So this is the salad counter. They have different types of raita. This is the corn salad, pasta salad, mixed sprouts, onions, tomatoes and lettuce. This counter has some crispy chips and different types of chutneys. They also had some veg soup with some fried noodles. In the main course they had veg biryani. For North Indian sabzis they had paneer lababdar, adraki aloo gobi and palak kofta curry. So this is exotic veg in Thai red curry, mixed veg korma and burnt chili garlic noodles. So these are the two dals, dal makhani and dal tadka with some steamed rice. They also had live counters for chaat like pani puri and dahi papdi chaat, dahi batata puri. This is the live pasta station where you can make your choice of pasta. You can have red or white pasta with your choice of vegetables. This is the live counter for stir-fried noodles or stir-fried vegetables. You can have noodles with your choice of vegetables. So this is the pizza counter where they serve pizza with your choice of toppings. They had small, thin crust sized pizzas. Also they had a special counter for kids for popcorns. So this was my favorite part of the buffet, the desserts. They had a lot of options of pastries, brownies, chocolate mousse. They also had kept Indian sweets like jalebi, gulab jamun. You can also log into my website travelclever.co.in for some detailed information on the restaurant and also some more interesting blogs to read on. Also, do follow me on Facebook and Instagram at the Travel Clever for some latest updates on my profile. So, this was again very interesting the way they made the ice cream. They used to give us choice to mix the vanilla ice cream with Oreo, chocolate chips, or brownies, and then we used to mix it well with the ice cream and serve it to us. The ice cream was then topped with chocolate sauce and served. Overall, I enjoyed the food in the restaurant and also my time with the great ambience of the restaurant. The best part was they had a lot of options to offer in their buffet. My favorite was the appetizers, the live grill, and the desserts from the buffet. They also have a great staff in the restaurant. They were very attentive and helpful at the same time. You can visit this place if you are looking for a great variety in food and to spend some quality time with your family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.